Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are covering how to monitor bandwidth utilization with Netflow Traffic Analyzer. Analyzing a network is something that cannot be taken lightly. Establishing a network is half the job done, as there is a lot more to it than just setting up a network. Monitoring it and making sure it stays operational at times is the other half job that needs to be executed with utmost attention and responsibility. Neglecting this would result in often network outages or surges, which is a big thing in this century. In this era, the dependency on computer networks has drastically increased, and thus the networks are larger than they ever were. One of the key things to monitor while monitoring your network infrastructure is to keep an eye out on the network traffic. The traffic that you are receiving on your network is of significant importance, and thus network admins need to look for the traffic that the network is receiving, also known as traffic analysis. Netflow, or also known as Cisco Netflow, is a feature that was added to Cisco routers to keep track of the IP addresses that enter and exit an interface. Network traffic data is really important to network administrators, as it provides better insights about the network, with the help of which different security issues can be addressed. For this purpose, automated tools such as Netflow Analyzers have been introduced to help system administrators and get rid of the tiresome manual convention. SolarWinds Netflow Traffic Analyzer is a tool that lets you do that with much more functionality. The download link to SolarWinds Netflow Traffic Analyzer is given in this video's description. With SolarWinds NTA, you will be able to monitor the traffic on your network, traffic flow, as well as monitor the bandwidth utilization on your network, which is really important. Why, you may ask? Most of the network performance issues that are triggered are caused by high network bandwidth utilization. Hence, the network often stops responding and ultimately leads to a crash or an outage. Therefore, in order to prevent this from happening, measures need to be taken for better management of the network, which involves deploying an NTA tool in your network environment, as it also works as a bandwidth monitoring tool. This is the reason why network bandwidth monitoring is important when it comes down to network devices. There are tons of tools out there developed just for this very purpose, and if you do not know the right tool that will help you accomplish what you desire to achieve, you will not be progressing at all. Therefore, do not fret, as we will be showing you a perfect tool for the job with a great company to back it up with. SolarWinds is a company that no system or network administrator require introduction to. Their list of product is industry favorite, and every IT administrator has come across one of their tools during their career at least. NTA integrates with SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor, which as a result offers more in-depth and real-time insights than any other software, as it keeps tabs on the real-time data of the traffic usage. Netflow Traffic Analyzer analyzes your traffic pattern as well as keeps an eye on your application traffic. To be able to use the tool and monitor your bandwidth usage, you will first have to deploy the tool in your network, obviously. If you haven't used the tool previously, you will have to install it and then integrate it with the Orion platform. They also offer a free trial if you wish to try out the tool first before paying for it. Do not worry, the procedure is explained in clear words in documentation offered by SolarWinds, which can be found on the link given in this video's description. They also offer a free version of the tool with limited features via which you can analyze Netflow on your network. Once you have installed the tool, you are ready to begin with this video. As first thing in this guide, we need to identify bandwidth consumers. To be able to monitor network bandwidth utilization, you will first have to identify the consumers of your network bandwidth. This is important as it is useful in the identification of root cause of the issue. SolarWinds NTA out of the box sends out alerts when the bandwidth utilization exceeds a certain specified value that is defined by default. The default value is 75%. If you wish to change that, you can do so by going to the Alerts, Activity, and then Alerts menu. After that, head to Manage Alerts and then group it by Trigger Action Type from the drop-down menu and then select Email or Web Page from the list. From the default alerts, you can change the value. You will be able to identify top talkers or the high bandwidth consumers on your networks when a bandwidth utilization alert is triggered. Once an alert has been triggered, you will be notified via an automated email. So let's see how you can identify the top talkers. To identify the top talkers, head over to the account you provided while configuring an alert. This is where the alert notification email will be sent. Open up the email and click on the link associated with it. This will redirect you to the Netflow Traffic Analyzer interface details and the interface that caused the alert. When you open the link, you will be presented with such kind of graph where you can look at top 10 endpoints. This will show you which endpoint is using the majority of the bandwidth. Under that graph, click on the endpoint which is using much bandwidth to view the details. So let's say I select this bandwidth. Let's say I select this one, and then we can see which endpoint is using much bandwidth. From these details, you'll be able to identify the consumers that are consuming most of the bandwidth. Now, the next thing is how we can monitor the bandwidth utilization. Once we have identified the top talkers, we can monitor the bandwidth utilization via Flow Navigator filters for that interface. In this scenario, we assume that you are aware of the interface that is causing the high bandwidth utilization and you wish to keep an eye on it. To do this, let's follow these steps. Let's go to Netflow interface details of the interface you wish to apply filters on. To monitor, you have to go My Dashboard and then click on Endpoints. Let's go to this one. And then in the Flow Navigator, you can go to time period and you can say 1 month, and then you can also change flow direction. After that, in the application option, you can select to include the applications that you want to monitor. There's a list of applications that present here. You can add any application or you can add a port to monitor. Once it is done, let's say we select any of this application and then you can click on Submit. Once you submit, you are done and you'll be able to monitor your flow using this filter. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.